From the top of a 154-foot lighthouse, the angle of depression to a ship in the ocean is 27 degrees. How far is the ship from the base of the lighthouse? So I got a visual here so we can see what we're doing. And an angle of depression is if you have something that's above and you're measuring off the horizontal and you're measuring down. So this would be my angle of depression, and it says that that is 27 degrees. And then we want to make a right triangle here out to the ship, and we want to find this distance right here, x. And so as we see, we don't have an angle in the right triangle, but I know that this is also 27 degrees. Maybe you remember from geometry when you have parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interiors are congruent. So this angle of depression is 27, and this angle inside of the triangle is also 27. So now let's see what information we have, and we know how tall the lighthouse is, 154 feet. So looking at this right triangle here, we have a side we want to know, and we have an angle. So we want to find a trig function that connects those three pieces. And I can see from the angle that I have opposite and adjacent. So I'm going to use tangent. The tangent of 27 degrees is going to be opposite, which is 154, over adjacent, which is x. Now we're going to solve that for x, and so multiply the x over and get the tangent 27 over on the other side, divide by it. So x is 154 divided by the tangent of 27 degrees, and that's an exact form how long that side is. It doesn't say here, but we're going to round that. It should have said that to, and it does in homework, to 2 decimal places. So we're going to grab the calculator and compute that. And when I put it in, I get 302.24, and that's going to be, we should put units on that, and that's going to be feet.